Hey everyone, it's technology expert Burton Kelso here with another tech tip to help you get the most out of the technology in your life. Today we're going to talk about OpenSignal, a great website and app that will allow you to find data connections to your cell phone provider in your area. You can also find access to free Wi-Fi networks in your area as well using the app. We're going to switch screens here, take a look at OpenSignal, and see how I can find the best cellular coverage in your area. Give me a second while we switch screens here, and there we go. So there's OpenSignal, the website, and understand and improve your mobile signal. So the app, which is available for Android and Apple devices, and the website allows you to find the best coverage in your area. OpenSignal is pretty simple as far as the website is concerned. Now you're limited to coverage maps in your local area. So let's say that we want to look in Lee Summit. You can choose your network or you can show all. So let's say I've got Sprint and I want to see what the coverage area is in Lee Summit. I can click View Map, and after a few seconds it'll show me a coverage map. Now it will show me strong signal, which is the areas in green. It will show me the weak signal, which is the areas in red. And if there's an area that they haven't collected data in, it will show that with the shaded area. Now, let's say I don't like that coverage area and I want to change providers. So then I can click on Verizon, and as you can see, the map changes and shows me the coverage area for Verizon in the area. Now, if I wanted to look at just cell phone coverage complete, I can click on Show All, and the map will show me what cell phone coverage in general is going to be in that area. Another great thing about OpenSignal is that you can choose what type of network that you want to use. So let's say that you want only 4G. You can take the check mark off of here where it says 2.3G, 3G, and it'll show you what the coverage area is only for 4G. Now, for some odd reason you want to go only with 2G and 3G, you can take the check mark off of 4G, and as you can see, it'll show you the coverage in that area for 2G and 3G. Now let's switch back to Verizon, and as you can see, the coverage does change for 2G and 3G for Verizon. Obviously, no one wants to use 2G and 3G anymore, so I'm sure most of you will probably use the 4G network. Now let's look at the cell phone or our smartphone using our favorite app, which is the aPowersoft phone manager. So give me a second here. We're going to switch to the aSoft Power app, and let's go to our cell phone, and we're in it. So on a smartphone, you can explore Wi-Fi coverage, which is awesome. So if you click on Explore to find Wi-Fi, you can zoom into a populated area that's going to have Wi-Fi. Let me get out of the sticks here, and let's get to a more populated area. There we go. And as you can see, if you zoom in on your map, you can find out different Wi-Fi area coverage in different areas, and this is in the eastern part of the Kansas City metropolitan area. So as you can see, the more populated the area, the more Wi-Fi networks you can locate. So that's a handy tool. If you need to pull over and use the Wi-Fi, you can definitely use OpenSignal to find free Wi-Fi networks in your area. So let's go ahead and get out of that and get out of our aPowersoft phone manager and go back to the main screen of OpenSignal. So if you're looking for a great app that's going to help you decide the best coverage for your cell phone provider in your area, consider OpenSignal. Also, for your smartphone, you can use it to find great coverage as well for Wi-Fi networks. So take a look at OpenSignal. I'm sure that it will be something that you can use for your technology use. So as always, if you got comments or questions, leave them in the comment section below. We'd love to hear from you to find out what tips that you would like to hear as far as helping you get the most out of the technology you use on a daily basis. Also, we're all over social media. So check us out there to get daily tips on things that are going to help you become tech savvy. So folks, as always, take care of yourself and do many things to make you smile. And thanks for watching.